outside it is so hot. I told you already in my short video. You see, now she gonna sleep. I will show you more of about her behaviors. This is my dog Luna. We call her female dog. Luna. Luna in maybe in Italian is the moon. En français c'est la lune. En khmer c'est pregnant. In fact, she is golden. She is one of the Chinese village dog. Something like that. I don't know exactly. But it is wonderful. You know, sometimes we are happy with this dog, and sometimes we are busy also. But most of the time we are happy. Got happiness from her, from this dog. Sometimes if we know how to treat with the dog, we will have a lot of happiness. I will show you more about her behaviors, and sometimes show you some technique how to treat with our funny and sometimes crazy dog like that. Okay, I will show you more. Okay. Now, see you in the next video with Luna. And n'oubliez pas de subscribe. Okay? Dog in Khmer language is chikai. Okay? Remember this. For more video, subscribe please. Hello again. Also in my video about health and natures in Cambodia, I will show you something strange in our natures, like here the story about some toad, 3 or 4 toad in my garden, in my pot. You see? Okay, so please stay tuned by helping us by subscribing to the channel. We will update a lot of story for you. Okay, this is my small garden, my pot, and we will update the story also about my toad. Okay, see you next time. Here, you see Luna friends. Ma, come here. Oh, what is your name? Oh. Some people say when dog do like that, it means they don't bite you. they want to make friends with us. In fact, it is not really my dog. It's my neighbor dogs, but she loves to play. Male dog. He loves to play with Luna, my dog. Bye bye. See you next time. Oh, you see why we want to make a video about pet and natures? Because we have all this. You hear the sound of the bird? Okay, here it is called Đơm knoll, Đơm knoll, Đơm knoll in Khmer language, jackfruit. Okay, so it is like that. Okay, please stay tuned. We will show you more about pet and natures in Cambodia. Right? D'accord? Au revoir. Here, the black one. Hey, what are you waiting for? Huh? You waiting for your friend? Oh, he's shy. He's shy, so he go away. Here are something in front of my house that I will show you one by one. Okay. Yeah. Maybe in your house, in your country, there are also this plant, right? Okay, we will share knowledge about this plant and our pet. Okay, see you next time.